Hello and welcome to Skyline's first episode tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Triti Athri. Now tonight, let me ask you a very simple question here. For decades, America was seen as the ultimate destination for Indian engineers. Every year, thousands of students left India with just one dream to study hard, get an H-1B visa, work in Silicon Valley and build a better future. But for many families, getting a job in America, it was considered the biggest achievement of their lives. But today, something is changing. Tonight, we connect all the 7 important stories that kind of reveal a much bigger picture here. From growing hostility against Indian techies to Microsoft's latest layoffs, from AI replacing jobs to experienced Indian professionals deciding to return home. Every headline tonight tells us something about the future of Indians in America. Well, these are not any technology stories. These are stories about careers, families, dreams, and the changing future of one of the world's largest immigration community. So, without wasting any time, let's start with it. Well, for years, the Indian engineers, they were celebrated in America. They helped build Silicon Valley. They worked at Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, and Meta. Some even became CEOs of world's biggest technology companies. In fact, they are often described as hardworking, high-educated, and among the most successful immigrant communities in America. But today, that particular image that appears to be changing. According to recent reports, hostility towards Indian tech professionals has increased alongside growing anti-immigrant sentiments in the United States. Indian engineers on H-1B visas are increasingly being accused by some critics of taking jobs away from the American workers. Well, reports also point to the proposal for higher H-1B visa fee, stricter scrutiny of visa applicants, and growing online hostility directed at Indians working in technology sector. Can you think about this? The same people who help write the software used across the globe, who build products used by billions of people, are now finding themselves at the center of a political debate. And why is that happening? Here experts say the answer is complicated. Whenever economies become uncertain, people naturally become worried about their jobs. Well, politicians begin discussing immigration, workers worry about competition, and migrants often become the easiest target here. Many analysts say that Indian professionals are now being caught in that larger political conversation. Some critics, they argue that H-1B workers reduced opportunity for Americans. But many economists disagree with this. They point out that thousands of Indian engineers work in specialized roles. Well, the roles that are difficult to fill very, very quickly. Now, these professionals contribute to innovation, research, and the growth of major technology companies. Several industry leaders, they have repeatedly said that skilled immigration has played an important role in America's technology success. And yes, another concern is the growing hostility on social media. Several Indian professionals say that the biggest change that is not always inside their offices. It is online. Discussions have become more aggressive, personal attacks have increased, and many immigrants say that they now feel uncertain about their future, even after spending years building successful careers. Well, the bigger question is this: if America becomes less welcoming to the global talent, who benefits? And rather, who loses here? Because innovation depends on attracting the world's best minds, and talent can always move somewhere else, right? But yes, while public debate over immigration continues, another challenge is making headlines across Silicon Valley, and that challenge is layoffs. Because even if you have the right visa, just imagine, you still need the right job, right? Well, for thousands of Indian students, the journey, it usually follows the same path. Study in America, find a job, get selected in the H-1B lottery, build a career, apply for a green card, and raise a family. Perfect picture. For years, this became the roadmap followed by millions of Indian professionals. But today, that particular roadmap, it is becoming far more uncertain. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, reports suggest that proposed changes to the H-1B program, including significantly higher application fee and tougher screening processes, Well, it has increased anxiety among Indian professionals who are already working in the United States. In fact, many H-1B workers interviewed in the report, they say that they now feel that their future depends more on changing government policies rather than their own performance in contribution at work. Can you imagine working in the same company for years, paying taxes, following every immigration rule, build a life, buying a house, sending your children to school, and then suddenly wondering whether one policy change could affect everything out there? And that uncertainty is what many Indian professionals describe today. While immigration lawyers say that businesses also dislike uncertainty, companies prefer stable rules because they need long-term planning here. So when visa policies keep on changing again and again, both employer and employee, they become cautious. Now for Indian families, the pressure it is even greater. Why? Because many have children studying in American schools. Some are waiting decades for permanent residency because of the green card backlog. Others are supporting parents back home while paying mortgages in the United States. So every policy announcement, therefore, it carries emotional as well as financial consequences for them. Well, despite these challenges, though, industry experts continue saying that America still needs highly skilled technology professionals. You name it. Artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and semiconductor design that continue demanding the experienced engineers, specifically Indians here. But yes, whether immigration policies will support that demand, well, that remains one of the biggest questions facing America's technology industry today. But yes, let's move on to our next segment. While thousands of professionals worry about visas, thousands others, they are now worrying about something else, keeping their own jobs. Because even the biggest technology companies, they are no longer immune to the uncertainty now. And we are talking about the biggest here. We are talking about Microsoft's latest layoffs that is sending a strong message. For decades, getting a job at Microsoft, that means stability, prestige, career growth, and financial security. It was like a proud moment. But today's technology industry, it is changing rapidly and changing faster than anybody ever expected. Ladies and gentlemen, according to reports, Microsoft is preparing another round of job cuts that could affect thousands of employees across sales, consulting, and gaming division. Although the expected reduction represents less than 2.5% of the company's global workforce, but they continue a broader reconstructing efforts as Microsoft increases spending on artificial intelligence and reorganizes parts of its businesses. Now, these particular layoffs, they are not happening because Microsoft is struggling to survive. The company remains one of the world's most valuable technology businesses. Well, instead, the focus is now changing. In fact, it's not Microsoft here. Companies are investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. They are redesigning teams, automating work, and shifting resources towards future technologies. So that means some traditional roles are disappearing while entirely new roles, well, they are being created. In the meantime, technology experts, they say that this is one of the biggest transformations the industry has seen in decades. But yes, for the employees, that explanation offers little comfort here. Losing a job, that remains one of the life's biggest uncertainties. And for Indian professionals who are working in America on temporary visas, the pressure becomes even greater here because losing a job is not only about income for them. Well, it can also affect immigration status. Many visa holders have only a limited period just to secure another job before they face difficult decisions about staying in the United States or returning home. And that is why every layoff announcement inside Silicon Valley, that's closely watched across India. Thousands of families know that one corporate decision, it can completely change someone's life, someone's entire future rather. And Microsoft's latest reconstructing, it may be only one part of a much bigger trend that is spreading across the entire American technology sector. And yes, if you thought that Microsoft layoffs, they were an isolated case, think again. Across the United States, companies are becoming more and more cautious. They are slowing down the hiring, reviewing the budgets, cutting costs, and preparing for another round of workforce reduction here. Every week, new layoff announcements, well, they are making headlines, leaving thousands of professionals wondering whether their jobs will survive the next reconstructing or not. In fact, we get the comments that there's the same story again and again, layoffs story. Recent reports show that while job cuts in the United States fell sharply in June as compared to May, thousands of employees still lost their jobs. At the very same time, more American companies have already filed notices for the fresh layoffs in July. Experts here say that this reflects a labor market that is becoming more cautious rather than collapsing. Businesses are still profitable though, but many are preparing for economic uncertainty by reducing cost before problems become bigger here. And this creates a very different kind of fear. People are not only worried about finding a job here, they are worried about keeping the one that they already have. Well, for Indian professionals working in the US, the pressure is even greater because most H-1B visa holders cannot remain unemployed for very long. Losing a job is no longer just a financial challenge to them. It also becomes an immigration challenge. Many employees now, they say that they constantly upgrade their resumes, improve their skills, and they prepare for interviews even while working full-time because nobody knows which company may announce layoffs next. Well, the technology sector that once promised stability, it now demands constant adaptation. Here, experts believe that companies are entering a completely new phase where efficiency matters more than expansion. Businesses are becoming smaller, leaner, and increasingly dependent on automation. But yes, while artificial intelligence is replacing some jobs here, a surprising new trend is now emerging because many companies are quietly discovering that AI cannot do everything. Well, for months, companies believed that artificial intelligence could replace people. And now many are beginning to realize that they may have to move too fast. After all, AI is not perfect here. Over the last 2 years, artificial intelligence has become the biggest buzzword in the corporate world. Every company wanted more and more AI. In fact, every CEO wanted automation, every media house wanted an AI anchor, every investor wanted higher productivity. Many businesses believed that AI would reduce costs and replace thousands of workers. But let's be honest here, reality has turned out to be far more complicated. Ladies and gentlemen, according to new reports, several companies that aggressively reduced staff after introducing AI, they are now hiring people back. They kind of discovered that while AI performs repetitive tasks very well, it still struggles with complex decision making. In fact, consumer relationship, ethical judgment, and many real world situations that require human understanding. Companies in tech, banking, manufacturing, they all have reported situations where automated systems fail to deliver the expected results, forcing them to rebuild human team. Wait, can you think about this moment for a minute? AI can answer questions, generate reports, write computer codes, analyze large amount of data. But the question is, can it understand human emotions? Can it negotiate with a difficult client, or can it solve a crisis that nobody predicted? Well, that is where humans, they are still having an advantage here. Experts now believe that the future will not be about AI replacing humans. Instead, it will be about humans learning to work alongside AI. Professionals who do understand both tech and human decision making, they are expected to become the most valuable employees in the years ahead here. And that's a good news. Many companies now do admit that they underestimated how much experience, creativity, and judgment people bring to the workplace here. And that's why hiring the people back has restarted in several industries. The lesson that's becoming clearer. AI is changing work, but it is not eliminating the need for skilled professionals here. And that message is specifically important for Indian engineers because India remains one of the largest suppliers of highly skilled technology talent here. But even with these positive signs, many experienced Indian professionals, they are beginning to ask themselves just one difficult question here. Is it still worth staying in America or not? Because sometimes the biggest career decision, it is not finding a new job. It is deciding whether to stay or whether to return home. Can you imagine spending 15 years building your career, working hard, leading teams, gaining international experience, believing that one day all your hard work, it will pay off. And then despite years of experience, despite multiple interviews, despite doing everything right, you still cannot secure a job. Unfortunately, that is exactly what one Indian origin technology professional recently shared online. According to a widely discussed Reddit post, the experienced professional decided to return to India after repeatedly failing to secure a senior management role in the US. In fact, he revealed that he completed three full interview cycles, each involving 6 rounds of interview, but he did not receive a single job offer. After months of searching, he finally accepted the whole situation and decided to begin a new chapter back in India. In fact, another similar account shared the same experience, suggesting that several experienced professionals they are now finding the US technology job market far more competitive than ever before. The story has resonated with thousands of professionals because it reflects a growing concern here. Experience alone, it's no longer enough. Companies are hiring more cautiously. While competition has become global, AI is changing job requirements, and many senior professionals now find themselves competing for fewer leadership positions here. In fact, several people responding to the post, they said that technology industry has changed dramatically over the last few years. Now, earlier, companies competed to hire experienced managers. Today, many organizations are reconstructing, flattening the management layers and focusing on specialized technological skills. Yet, the story is not entirely about disappointment here, it is also about resilience. That's right, the professionals did not describe returning to India as failure. Instead, they called it a fresh beginning. And that perspective. It reflects a larger change that is taking place among Indian professionals. Returning home, it's no longer seen as giving up. In fact, India's tech sector has expanded enormously. Global capabilities centers, they are growing rapidly. International companies continue investing heavily in Indian talent. Well, for many professionals, India is no longer the backup plan. It has become a destination of opportunities in its own right. And that raises one final question here. Ladies and gentlemen, if India's opportunity continue growing while America's immigration challenges continue increasing, could the global tech map that itself begin to change here? Well, tonight every single story we discussed, it may have looked very, very different. One story, it is about Indian engineers who are facing growing hostility in America. Another is about Microsoft's latest layoffs. We also saw how artificial intelligence is changing the workplace, why companies are quietly bringing employees back, and how experienced Indian professionals are beginning to return home after struggling to find a new job. But if we connect all these headlines together, one bigger picture that begins to emerge. Ladies and gentlemen, the American dream, it is not disappearing, not at all. That's not what we are saying, but it is definitely changing rapidly. Well, for decades, America was considered the ultimate destination for Indian engineers, a success story. Getting an H-1B visa, it was seen as the first step towards a successful future. Silicon Valley became the dream workplace, a green card became the biggest goal. Families invested their life savings to send their children to American universities because they believed work hard, it would eventually guarantee success. Today, that journey looks very different. Technology is evolving faster than anybody ever imagined. AI is changing hiring decisions, companies are becoming more cautious with spending. Immigration rules continue changing, and political debates around foreign workers have become louder. With experienced professionals who are discovering that even years of hard work cannot guarantee a job security in the United States. But there is another side to this story. India itself has changed. Today, India is no longer just supplying talent to the world. It is creating opportunity here at home. Global technology companies are expanding their engineering centers across Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune, Gurugram, and Chennai. International companies continue investing billions of dollars in India's digital economy. Indian startups are creating thousands of high-paying jobs, and artificial intelligence, semiconductor manufacturing, cybersecurity, global capability centers are opening entirely new career paths. Many professionals who once believed that they had no future outside America, well, that is beginning to look as good as India. Returning home, that is no longer viewed as failure. For many, it has become another opportunity to grow. And with that, let's end the Skylines episode tonight. I'm Dhriti Athri, and I'll see you in the next episode.